Hi, today we're getting momentum. We're trading with a anonymous indicator. Watch until the end and capture everything. Okay, while we're waiting for the first trade result, I strongly recommend you guys to follow my Telegram channel. Effective strategies, honest trading signals, and many other useful things are already waiting for you over there. Don't waste your time, follow the link in the description and join. How can beginners make money in 2024? Hello, my dear friends. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can earn even if you are a beginner, and this way to make money lies in trading. In this video, I'm gonna show you a strategy that even beginners can handle, so watch carefully, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't miss out on anything. We open the trading platform and pick a currency pair we want to trade with. I selected 1, 2, 3, 4 trading currency pairs, 4 of them. We can actually feel free to pick one more because our strategy requires a lot of assets. Not every single situation allows our strategy to be used properly. Let's settle for any classic pair. Let's say AUD, USDT. And our strategy is basically about trading at levels. Almost all professionals trade relying on levels and obviously using additional strategies. But I think the most useful thing for beginners will be, of course, seeing set levels and trading accordingly. So first and foremost, we're gonna set a 1 minute time frame and switch the chart type to candles. We're done here. Now we want to set the trading time frame to 1 minute just as well. Now we're gonna highlight levels of support and resistance. The price is likely to be bouncing off of most of the time. Let's quickly click here and pick a rectangle. Done. Now let's define levels the price often reaches and bounces off of. It's around here. Look, the price reached the level and bounced again. Again, reached the level, went a tiny bit higher and bounced, as we can see right now. Let's draw a support level the same way, picking a rectangle and putting it at the lowest level the price has recently reached. It's around here, I'd say. Yeah, it did overcome the area a little bit, but the fact is though, it came back down. And now we're going to be basically trading according to these levels. As you can see, the candle will close in 5 seconds and we can potentially place a trade downwards. So let's place a downward trade when the candle closes. Also, let's see and check if the currency is really trading at these levels right now. As you can see, there was a rapid growth right here, so now the price should potentially retrace back to these values. I suggest we just sit there and watch for a little while. As you can see, the price indeed bounced off of the level and we got the profit. Our deal ended up succeeding. We can wait for the price to reach this point and place another trade upwards. That's exactly how things have been working so far, so we can feel free to make a few more deals as long as the chart allows us to do so. Let's wait for the price to reach the level, and while we're waiting, I suggest we look through other currency pairs. Perhaps we can find a case to work with at the given moment. Well, this situation is questionable. Let's delete the asset from bookmarks and not get distracted by it. Let's see what we got here. This one is pretty interesting too. Let's quickly mark the support and resistance levels. The support level is currently around here. Yep. While the resistance level, draw it the same way. This is where it is. Around this area. The price is currently rolling down a bit. I think we can enter downwards as soon as this candle closes. Let's wait. And while we're waiting for the candle to settle, don't forget there's a link to my Telegram channel in the description. You can get really nice promo codes for comfortable markets trading there, along with lots of helpful tips regarding trading and opportunities to make money with me. So, guys, don't miss such a great chance. Meanwhile, 15 seconds are left until the candle settles and we're gonna place a trade downwards properly. Because as you can see, there was 1, 2, 3, 4 red candles. Perhaps the price will keep on trying to go further down. Well, we'll see. Let's see what happens. Placing a trade downwards and waiting for the trade to close. While we're waiting, let's get back to our first currency pair and see what's up here. So We can witness a tiny retracement, but nothing extra really. Perhaps the trend will change, although the trend is upward anyway, as you can see. The general tendency is rising, so potentially we might as well place a trade upwards. Not yet though. For now, let's stick to trading at levels. I suggest we get back to TRON and see what's going on here. As we can see, the levels worked out just fine. We've got another profitable deal. There were lots of red candles over there. We'll see what happens next. Here's a pretty interesting pullback. Do you see the shadow of this candle right here? Only 8 seconds are left until it settles. We might want to place a trade right now. In 5 seconds, I mean. We're placing a trade downwards based on this large candle shadow. Basically, sellers didn't let the price move further up and insisted on selling. Let's enter, and yep, we've placed our trades, and I guess let's observe the whole process. I would also remind you guys that there's no such thing as a 100% profitable strategy. Those who try to convince you otherwise, showing you some 100% reliable strategy that gets you 10 out of 10 profits, guys, that's not a thing. The market is almost like a living creature. It's unpredictable. Anyone who tries to convince you otherwise literally have no idea what they're talking about. However, applying technical analysis, watching the market, and observing its modification gets you to ending up with profits rather than losses most of the time. So use your critical thinking and stay cool-headed. That's really important. While things have been going well for so far, it doesn't mean anything just yet, because you know the pullbacks are huge. Buyers insist pushing the price back up. They keep on buying more and more, influencing this candle shadow. 2 seconds are left until the candle settles, so we've got a profit. We've already succeeded with multiple trades in a row, and we've literally only been trading at levels. We're being careful not rushing it in. Now let's get back to TRON. And as soon as the candle settles, we will place a trade downwards. Because the price isn't going higher than the levels we've highlighted just yet, we're placing a downward trade, implying the price will pull back a bit more, and only then can we talk about some kind of breakout for the level with a further price rise. We'll see if our forecast is correct, if we did proper analysis. While we're waiting and observing, let's also take a glance at other currencies. Perhaps there's a convenient case out there we overlooked. What's going on here? There are these tiny little pullbacks, no rapid changes whatsoever. So for now, let's just wait for something more and get back to the last currency to see what's been going on. There's a nice red candle over here. However, buyers aren't holding back either, trying to push the price higher. They keep on buying, guys. It's a significant battle of demand and supply. If you understand how the market works, you gotta understand. Wow, what a beautiful red candle. We've got a profit, guys. We've got a profit. The level worked out. So as soon as the candle settles, we might want to enter the market. Let's wait. 3, 2, 1. And we're placing a trade downwards and waiting for the result. There's no reason for the price to break out of the level so far as I can see, but yeah, we'll see. The market is literally so unpredictable, but so far these levels work out in our favor perfectly. Guys, don't forget to give me a like while we're trading, and obviously remember all the new tips you might have already captured. You can just repeat all the steps after me as we go. Determining support and resistance levels, for instance, is actually really important for any strategy to be able to define these levels properly, as close as to what the market's reality is. Besides local levels, you might want to look into global ones just as well. They're no less of an influence on the market, on the price behavior. However, yes, since we're trading within a 1 minute time frame, local levels are the priority for us. I don't remember exactly how many profitable trades we've already made in a row, 5 or 6, I guess. That's a pretty good outcome. Our plan works impeccably so far. It's just, guys, amazing. Another profitable trade today. An incredible day, succeeding with so many deals in a row isn't that often of an occurrence. A couple of failed trades do happen, but today these levels work perfectly, guys. So 4 seconds are left until the candle settles. I think we're gonna go for a downward trade, placing our trade and waiting for the result. Let's see how the price will behave in this case, but I do suspect the price might go for a breakout and change the trend's course. Chances are pretty high, but I sure hope it will happen a little bit later, not now, so that our trade will close in a profit, As you can see, the trade didn't succeed yet, but that's totally alright. As I've said, we had a lot of successful deals anyway. We're literally so close to another profit. However, remember I said the price might change the course. It's happening as we speak here. We can see the price is heading up now. That's totally normal. Fails happen. It's just important to not lose your mind or get desperate trying to cover up the loss. The key is staying cool-headed, waiting for a proper moment and only then placing trades. Don't miss out on new cool ways to make money online and trading strategies. All the links you need are in the description below this video.